Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on the time you're watching the video, greetings to all. So in this today's video, we're going to learn how to make support and resistance. So let's just begin. Okay, let me just hide it out. Awesome. All right. So we are on the Nifty 50 chart in tradingview.com. You can use different platforms to see the charts, but I use tradingview.com. All right. So let's just go here. So we need to find 2 points where you see the stock or the index coming down and finding support, or on the same line if you find something like the stock is going to the same line and then coming back down. So we need to find at least two of those points. So let's see. One, you see the stock went down from here, and again it came back here, went down. Then the second point we see here is this one on the same line right here. So you see the stock came back down here, found support, went up, found support. So we have 3 points. I would say these are more than enough points to find the support for this stock. And if I want to draw a horizontal line, so what I do, I don't draw a trend line, I just draw a horizontal line. It's easy to backtest that way. So if I press Option plus H on MacBook, there you go. You see a line that I see is a support. And so we have to backtest this as well. So let's see. Stock came down, went back up, stock came down, went back up. Has it happened in the past as well? So let's just see. Stock came down here, went back up, found resistance, went back down. Let's just go to the past. All right. You see another one right here. Came down, went back up. So this seemed to be a came down, went back up, came down, went back. So this seems to be a good support. And let's just find the resistance for the near past. Again, the same thing. You have to see the 2 points. So we don't have to cut through the bodies. We just have to cut through the wicks. Right here, you see the stock went up here, came back. So this is 1 point. So if I come here, you see another 1 point here. Came down, went back up a little. All right. So what I do is go back and backtest it for this one again. All right. You see here's another one. Came down, went back up. Breakout, went back up. All right, you see a breakout here, and then stock went up. Resistance, resistance, breakout. All right. So these points are good enough for me to make sure that these are the good resistance and supports. Right now, what I see is Nifty 50 is in the sideways trend. So how do you find support and resistance for upwards trend, right? Or uptrend, sorry. So what I do is I go here, select parallel channel, then find the lowest point or the point where the uptrend has started, and you try to cut through as many as candles as possible, but not the bodies. So I would say just here is fine. Awesome. And I just draw a parallel channel, cutting as many points as possible. So this one. So this seems to be an uptrend, and the Nifty 50 still seems to be an in uptrend. And same I do for the downtrend, take the parallel channel and drop it downwards. Alright guys, so this was much about support and resistance levels in different trends, sideways, uptrend and downtrend. If you like this video, just give me some likes and do subscribe my channel, so it will keep me motivated to keep posting some more videos and sharing my knowledge with you guys. All my videos I will try to keep it short, within under the 5 minutes range. So let's see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.